In the last video of the series, we created a sprite sheet. I named it Sprite Sheet Mascot. Let's also rename other image because it will serve as background. Let me rename it here as well. Now I am going to create a class which will bring the mascot to the game. I will call it player, since players will control the character. It will extend Sprite Animation Group component. And this component needs an enum type to hold animation states. Let's call it player state. Here, the states are animation types we gathered in the sprite sheet. Idle, run, jump, and so on. Also need game reference. Now I am going to override onload method of the component. First, I will define and load the sprite sheet. Search size is the size of an animation frame. Now we can create animations using the sprite sheet. Row values start from 0 and increase 1 for each type of animation, from top to bottom. Step time is the time each animation frame will be displayed in seconds. Each animation frame number starts from 0 and increases 1 from left to right. To value denotes until what frame the animation will be created. If you want to create animation including all of the frames, you do not have to provide from and to values. We need to be careful when creating the jump animation. First frame is the posture of the character when he goes up, but when he drops down, the second frame should be displayed. So the animation should not be time dependent. Instead, it should be movement dependent. To do that, I will separate the frames. So in second row, step time is not important, since it's one frame animation. ToValue is 1, excluding the second frame. I am going to add second frame as fall animation. Row is again 2. Step time is not important. We should add from value, otherwise it starts from 0. From 1 to 2. I will add the rest of the animations. Sprite animation group component has an animation map. Next, we need to add the animations we created to this instance. So, I am going to map player states to related animations. Current is the currently displayed player state or animation. It will be idle when the character is displayed on the screen first time. Next, I am going to define a function to change player state. It will change the value of current state. Let's switch back and add the character on the screen. Now we can run the game and see the changes. Idle animation is displayed as expected. Let's try to switch to run state. Looks good to me. This concludes the video. So, see you next time.